Welcome to Ridhivesh Finance and the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100. You should watch our previous videos of the whole month of November and October, I guess so, where we have given the expected target for Nasdaq, both the indices Nasdaq 100 and Nasdaq Composite Index both becomes true, guys. If you check all the details, because I believe it at least 15 days delay in our target. Other than that, you can watch our hot equity of Intel, where we have recommended Intel at about target was 32 USD, and unexpectedly that Intel has today, means in this week it has crossed 36 USD per stock. So it's quite cool. In the month of August we have recommended this stock, and in the month of July too. Apart from that, you can check out the Microsoft, Amazon, and the many more things. So this is all about Ridhivesh Finance hot equity, which we have delivered to the market during the month of August and July, I think mid of the year. You can check everything available on our, not only on a YouTube channel but on a Twitter. In this week we have did a lot. In this week we had given exactly, apart from that, you can watch our video on your YouTube channel, and we also share on the Twitter too. Yeah, Quora, it's little bit slow for all of you. Predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 1st December 2025 till 7 December 2025 by Ridhivesh Finance. So let's talk about the prediction of Nasdaq Composite Index, Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 24th November 2025 till 30th November 2025. Composite Index minimum lower end will be 21,810. We have given the volatility based on the previous selections. Stability around 22,650. Maximum higher end it can goes up to 22,900 or 23,000 points. Nasdaq 100 can goes minimum downtrending 23,800, stability around 24,800, maximum higher end 25,100. So this is the here, as the Nasdaq Composite Index has given the biggest target, achieve the target around 24,000 24,000 it has been crossed. I mean, that is quite catchy one as comparing as that, and here is 26,000 also. Nasdaq 100 has crossed it. So in the past we have given, and this week we have given the lower end, but the in this week the Nasdaq 100 has closed around 25,435 34 rupees, sorry, USD, and Nasdaq Composite Index has closed 23,365.69 per stock. So it's all about how that really worth. Yes, our target has not achieved, it has crossed it. Okay, you can, we have predicted there might be the lower discount offer in the Nasdaq indices, both the indices, but it has achieved it. The predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, from the 1st December 2025 till 7 December 2025, minimum lower end 22,510, stability around 23,850, maximum it can goes up to 24,400. Hopefully the Nasdaq 100 minimum lower end it can goes up to 25,100, it can show some stability around 26,000, and suppose it will goes up, it can goes up to 26,400. Thank you by Ridhivesh Finance. Hope all you like it. Our new equity series, 100 days, 100 equities. We have not completed because I believe it on the 8th of the November we have started. I think for new equity we have to restart it. Yeah, we have seen that nobody checked our YouTube video is. is pathetic for us. I mean, in domestic market, people may check out, but in international market, nobody check out our YouTube video about Nasdaq indices. But we are putting, yeah, on Twitter we have get a good response that it is reaching out number of people across different continents and countries to Twitter platform, really giving a good exposure to our YouTube channel. But our YouTube channel is not growing. That is quite and demotivating. Anyways, guys, thank you by Vridhi Finance. If you like our analysis, let me know into comments. I think we want the international people not only follow on the Quora and Twitter, but follow us on the YouTube, so that we can have a more platform exposure. If you want to suggest any recommendations for any equity, let me know into the comments. We do only analysis and purely chart based analysis over all analysis. We believe in a fact. We believe in the analysis or based on some statistics. Yeah, we are going to open up about the IPO listing in the initial public offer listing into the Nasdaq or New York Stock Exchange very soonly. So New York Stock Exchange, I believe it is very easy as comparing as Indian market. If I see the Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange, if I compare New York Stock Exchange with Indian Bombay Stock Exchange, if I see Nifty with the Nasdaq, something like that, it's all about how is it really worth for my YouTube audience who really in the financial crisis, who wanted to recover in their life about their financial setbacks. I mean, you are at any age, but you should book the profit is Vridhi Finance motive. Anyways, guys, we are completing 5 years, more than that. 2021 we have started, now 2025 is year end. It's all about how it is worth for all of us. 159 only subscriber on YouTube and Twitter. We are having only 8 followers. It's not growing at all. I mean, we will restart about New York Stock Exchange very soonly on our YouTube channel, along with the Nasdaq analysis. So hope you guys like it. New York Stock Exchange welcoming to our YouTube series. Actually, whenever we make single video, it takes whole day to make 5 minutes of video or 10 minutes of video. So do you want the New York Stock Exchange or London Stock Exchange on our YouTube channel? Let me know, because this month of December is the empowering, not empowering, actually we want to add new milestone in our company footprint of Vridhi Finance. All about finance, wages to finance, means it's like collecting a drops and making a pond, from pond to river and river to ocean. All about profit. If you want to, happy Sunday and happy Thanksgiving to all of you on our YouTubers. Yeah, we have shared on Twitter's happy Thanksgiving. Hardly 10 people probably watch it. So let us see what we can give it to you. Actually, every day is not the same in the life. It's all about how the life worked for us. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you by Vridhi Finance. Have a great day. Bye bye.